Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to change custom cursor on Mac. So without wasting any time, let's begin. First of all, open any browser and search for mousecape. In the very first link you can see mousecape.com. Open the website and click on download now. Now we are in the GitHub setup file of mousecape.com. In here click on mousecape.zip file from here, and our application will be downloaded. Go to the downloads folder, double click on it, and our application has been downloaded. Open the application. If it shows you an error that it is an application from untrusted source, simply click on open. It has been opened, but if it still shows you an error, click on the Apple logo from the top left corner. Go to system settings, scroll below and go to privacy and security. Scroll below, and if you see the mousecape application here, simply click on allow and it will open in your MacBook. Now once it has been downloaded, let's download some cursors for MacBook. Again go to Google Chrome and search for rwdesigner.com. In here you can search for any cursor you like. I will click on the Diamond Edition Minecraft. From here choose any cursor you like, and instead of clicking on the download button, double click here on the picture and click on save image as. I will save it on my desktop. Click on save. Open your mousecape application. While your mousecape application is open, click on file from the top and click on new cape. This will show up. Right click on this and click on edit. Now in here click on the plus icon at the bottom left corner. Click on the unknown. Now in type, click on the drop down menu and click on arrow. Now drag the image we just downloaded from the internet into the first square. Now the last step, we can see a small red dot at the top of the image. We have to drag it to the tip of the icon we just downloaded. Simply change the value from here until it matches the tip of your icon. Once it is done, close this, click on save. Now in here, right click and click on apply. And here you can see that our icon has been changed to our custom cursor. If you want to remove this icon and revert back to the original cursor, simply right click here and click on remove, and it will revert back to the original cursor. Thank you for watching guys. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.